As AI accelerates software delivery, manual testing has become the bottleneck stalling enterprise scale, and the risk to core systems has never been higher.
Basically, test automation is the use of software tools to automatically execute tests on any application or system. You execute them automatically without human intervention. It could be error prone and not meet the test coverage needs. And teams can improve their coding and general release cycle, right? In terms of speed, consistency, and repeatability, right? Yeah, I mean, basically, it's the reliance on manual testing. A lot of firms have a deep manual testing history that they may not have the expertise or the budget or frankly the culture to align with test automation or scaling test automation. So when you do take a look at yourself in the testing world, a lot of it relies on governance or structure, right? A lot of times I see clients where they don't have a governance or structure. So having the proper governance helps in terms of structured ROI modeling. The more you reduce manual testing, right? Meaning, you're using less time to do the same task, right? The more savings, the obvious savings there, right? Less manpower, human power, hourly rate, whatever you want to call it, that can be directly quantified, right? And then, faster time to market. The more you automate your testing, the faster you release from that perspective.
Yeah.
One of the coolest things I've seen, and this is probably the biggest impact I've seen so far, is the self-healing aspect of it.
Okay.
So self-healing is, I build a test automation suite for release 1 and it works fine. What generally happens in a non-test automation AI is that you have a developer or engineer has to go back in there and literally manually change all the code wherever that thing changed, right? Because it'll break the script otherwise. Typical like development 101 in terms of debugging and troubleshooting. Well, AI can do that for you, right? There's the usual hallucinations, right? The human should be in the loop still, and that's my frank opinion. Humans should always be there to check it, but for now, you still need to kind of, for lack of better words, babysit it in a way. If you want to engage in test automation or scale test automation, you need structure. Number 2, test automation directly impacts the bottom line. Using AI today, everyone's using it, we get it, but it does provide value, but again, with the governance side of the house. So governance, direct impact to financial and goals and AI, but be careful. Those are the three takeaways.
Amazing.